Good evening to you all. This is Rajita Devi, Government Degree College, Hayat Nagar, Department of Computer Science. Today I am going to discuss about on the BSc Computer Science third semester data structures. In this, I am going to discuss about on the thing single linker list. With this single linker list explanation by using with an example program. How to expand the program explanation. Take an example for this single linker list by using an example program in this. Before going to that, what is a single linker list? In this, a list is nothing but we are taking an element element or field in this that are connected to each other. First one is having some head will be there, and last having tail, head and tail, which is having single linker list. In this introduction is single linker list. Single linker list is a collection of data elements, which is a collection of data elements in list. Each element represents a node in single linker list. Every element representing have a node. In that node we are entering a data element, and which is linked to each other, and each node consisting of one or more data fields, which is having one, either we can take it as more than data fields that are linked to each other, and one address field. Every node having one address field which stores the address of next field. Whenever we are taking a single linker list that having one element and which is having some addressing field that are stores the first one linked to another address of next node. This is about a small introduction about the single linker list. In this list, some operations in single linker list. Some operations can be done by using single linker list. Whenever we are using single list, we are creation. The operation can be done in this creation, and then insertion, and then display. First, I am going to take an example program for these three operations: creation, insertion, and display. In this single linker list, whenever the program starts with header files that hash include, that is standard input output header file will be there in this. Whenever we are writing a program, the hash is a preprocessor. This includes some header files there. In that header files too will be there in this that is a CLRS, that is we are having input output functions. In this, the input output functions are printf and scanf functions will be there. Printf is the output function and scanf is the input functions, and then include we are going to, these are the header files included in this standard input output header file. After that, the hash include conio.h header file will be there. In this some CLRSR functions like that, so many functions we are adding in this, and lib header file will be there. This is the adding header files of code. After that, a type def structure will be there, struct single linker list. Whenever we are take a simple program for this type def struct single linker list, in this starting program, whenever after that, the declaration part will be there. The declaration, whenever we are going to take about, I am taking the integer value, that is a data. I am taking an integer value, that is a data, that and then struct a single linker list which are indicating the star next, which is having the address of another value, and then begin curly brace. After that, end brace will be there. In that the declaration part is nothing but type def struct single linker list is nothing but structure definition. After that, the declaration part, whenever we are writing in that code begin and end braces, in that that is called creation of user defined data type, which is having a user defined data type. Whenever we are using creation, how to create and insert and display, we are in by using a single linked list. For that code, a small code for this introduction, creation of user defined data type. Just after that, the single linked list, by using expansion of the code will be there in this, the above code. See, as usual, the continuation will be typed if. After that, declaration will be there. After that, void main function will be, we are writing here, written here in this. In this, integer is some option you have to take, op is some an option. Single linked list star head is equal to null, you have to take head. Whenever you have to take head is null. After that, clr function, which is using in this pointer variable declaration of the structure and assigning value to it. Whenever you are going to initialization part, that is integer is 7, you have to take an option op, and single linked list in that star head is null. You have to head having first, you have to indicate that is a null. In this figure, I am indicating a node of single linked list. In that node, some data is there that has linked to the star next. That next having that head having is equal to null will be there. Every head having at the last which is having a null pointer will be there. After that, clr function, which is function is used whenever you are getting the output. That output will be erased from the before code, not after code, after output. This is the use of clr function. After that, the code will be expanded with this. In this, the program will be expanded. Single linked list, 3 functions can be done in the single linked list program. Single linked list create function declaration. After single linked list, insertion will be their function declaration for that purpose. And void is used for how can we create in that creation of the single list, how many elements are inserted in that, and that elements are how to display for display in single linked list. For that purpose, we are using a function declaration. In this, I am using do function. First one, that menu driven program. With that, I am using here with the begin brace, 4 options will be there. In this 4 options, printf functions which I am using. First printf function, that is the output function. In this, the program can ask for me create which option you have to take. Create in one option. After that, 2 will be an insert option. After that, 3 will be a display option. Of either you can take any one of these exit, that a 4th option. Default value will be the exit option. Then printf function, enter the option is there. After that, the output function, the program can ask for me enter which option you have to choose, either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 will be. After that, the scanf function is there, that is the %d ampersand option. In that option, we are given 1 2 3 4 3 and 4 will be there. The %d is the which is an addressing of that data. The data which is having the address of options. Which options you have, that holds %d holds that option value, which having you have to take which option, which in some word will be there, which in which statement I am using. After that, do which option you have to take in that begin braces, which cases I am using. I used here. In these options will be there. After that, a code expansion. Case 1, in this first case, head is equal to create. Head whenever we are in switch cases, we are check whether it is satisfied or not. It is find it in case 1 value, after that we go for next case 2 value, after that case 3, or after that case 4. Whenever you didn't get that output value, that is a default value, it will be exit. This is the process of programming expansion for the linked list. In this, head is equal to create, head will be there, and that function call, this is nothing but a function call. And after that, if it is whether it is a head is created, it will be find out. Otherwise break. Whenever the code expansion in the figure, NW is equal to some new word, or some word is there, that is 500 will be there. That is a data, and element will in the data some element will be there. This is the case value. For that code here, single linked list, create a single linked list, and head will be there. That star indicating pointer value. Which is a pointer value? Begin braces, a single linked list, star p and star nw will be there. Character, some ans will be there. Some you have to take a character, anything, yeah, ANCW. Instead of that, you can take any other character. That is do, and begin braces, NW is equal to single linked list, a star will be there, memory allocation size of that you have to take a memory allocation size of single linked list. In this, after that case 1, this is the code about for case 1. After that, the case in that case 1, which is having head is equal to create, and head will be there. After that, function call break will be there. In this, NW is equal to 500, which is having null point, which is having the head having a null pointer value, but that indicates NW is equal to 500 will be there. Head is equal to, whenever we create head, whenever we are creating a head is equal to creation. This is a function call. If it is a function call is can be done in this, the code written in this case, in this side, single linked list and star indicate a single linked list which is having a header. After that, begin brace. In that, in that single linked list, a pointer NW is equal to character, and then ans is equal to new will be there. After that, NW is equal to single linked list, memory allocation size of a single linked list, NW is equal to next is equal to null will be there. This is a code expansion for this data, in which in this case 1, head is equal to create, and head will be there. The function call will be created in this. After that, the break is with a semicolon. In that, the graphical representation is NW is equal to 500 will be there. That is the location. After that, which is having a null pointer. In this case, the code will be in this side, single linked list having a create single linked list and header file which indicating the star mark, and then single linked list, the declaration part is star pointer, some NW is equal to, which is having 500 of location, and character will be there. In that character, that is indicating answer, and do I am using here. In that, NW is equal to a single linked list, and the memory allocation is size of a single linked list. NW is equal to next is equal to null will be there. This is entered with a semicolon. After that, this is case 1, which is creating of head function call. After that, the function call, the code will expansion. Case is equal to head is equal to create, and head will be there. In this function call, the break, in this figure, in the above figure, n is equal to only 500 will be there. There is a no value in that, and end with a only null will be there. In this, the element will be storing in this 10 value will be there. After that, the code will be single linked list create a single linked list star head. that star having a header pointer with a single with a begin brace, curly brace, and the declaration part is same thing as single linked list. That pointer, NW, character, answer and do will be there. In this, NW is equal to single linked list star malak, memory allocation size of single linked list. NW is equal to next is equal to null will be there. NW having, which is having in this figure, null will be there. NW having a next field which is having connecting with the null that having a next. In this, after that the expansion, the code will be printf function will be there. This printf function is the output function. Enter the data. You have to enter the data. For the data is something is there in NW which is having that location 500, and that in that location 10 will be there. That is scanf function. In this side, scanf function will be there, the input function which is having %d ampersand NW is equal to data is there. NW is equal to NW having some data %d which is having that integer value, that is the addressing of NW data, that is addressing of NW data. In this this is the creation of a header single linked list of header file. That declaration and memory allocation null will be there, and printf and scanf functions. After that the code will be, in this case, head is equal to create and head having is there. That function call and break will be there. In this 10 same thing above code, NW is equal to 500 will be there, and null having, which is a single linked list, create single linked list star head will be there, begin brace, a single linked list, a pointer in the declaration, same thing above the code expansion, some change will be there before above the code and below, and character ans and do will be there, begin brace, NW is equal to single linked list star memory allocation size of single linked list, NW to next having some null will be there. In this a printf function is there and scanf function is there. Enter the data and the NW is data value. If head is equal to null, in this the same thing I am using here if condition. If head is equal to null only, the code expansion below the code, if I used it here, if in this some change will be there before above the code and below the code. In this case head is equal to create. Whenever create function call head, then break will be there. After that 10 and having, which is having null value. Whenever p is equal to pointer, p is equal to head is equal to NW is equal to 500, then only you have to find the 10 value which is having end with the null. This is the same code. For this the simple difference will be there. The above the code is the same as it is. A single linked list head will be there, the declaration part and the begin brace, memory allocation, next is equal to null, printf function. In this printf function, enter the data, scanf function %d, NW is equal to data. If condition is there, already we know seen about that. If head is equal to null will be there. Whenever we are checking for the condition, if head is equal to null, p is equal to head is equal to NW is there. We written in the graphical, p is equal to head is equal to NW is equal to 500. That is the location of that value 10. That is p is equal to head is equal to NW. This is the creation of header file calling function calling. After that the code will expansion. Whenever case head is equal to create and head function call, that break value 10 is equal to null value, p is equal to head is equal to that location having 500, and then another value and another element taken here 20, which is having NW is equal to 600 location, which is having a tail that is null pointer. In this this is the same code for the above example, that is creation head will be there, declaration and the memory allocation, next is equal to null value, printf function and scanf function. If the condition head is equal to null only, p is equal to head is equal to nw, and if condition is check, if we find the p is equal to head is equal to 500 nw, which is having 500 which is linked to the nw, p is equal to head is equal to nw, then only you will get the 600 location. In that value 20 will be there. If it is found, the condition will satisfy if the condition is equal to that value, if it is okay, otherwise we will go for else part. In this else part, the code will expansion of head is equal to case 1. In this case is equal to head is equal to creation of head, then function call will be the after that if it is founded, the function is finding in that location. After that there is no found out which will break. After that next condition we will go for. In this case the graphical representation for this 10 having that 600 location, p is equal to head is equal to 500 will be there. Then nw above the figure which we are nw is equal to 600 only, in that 20 will having that 20 having tail with the null value which is linked with the 600 location. The code will be in this above the code, p is equal to head is equal to null only. If it is found, it will be find out that value 20. Otherwise we will go for else part. That is the code in this code expansion for this create single linked list head value and declaration part of the single linked list and the memory allocation for the single linked list, and next having a null pointer and printf function and scanf function will be there. If condition head is equal to null will be there, if head is equal to nw, in that nw which is having a 600 having the 20 value which is a location 15, which is the location of another addressing variable, that is 600 having that value of 10 will be there, which is connected with the both. If it is find out p is equal to head is equal to nw, else it is find out it will be printed. After that else part we will go for p having next is equal to nw. We are taking another next nw value, new node. In this case the code p n next is equal to nw. In this case head is equal to creation of head will be there, the function call will be there. In this head having a same code, p is equal to nw is equal to 600, that is the code 20 which is a null pointer tail. This is the code for the code expansion. Single linked list to create and single linked list of head will be there, the declaration part and begin braces. nw is equal to single linked list memory allocation of single linked list. nw next having should have the null pointer and printf function and scanf function will be there. If condition head is equal to null, p is equal to head is equal to nw, which is having else part. If it is found, it will be print. Otherwise it will give the output. Otherwise else part we will go for p is equal to next is equal to nw, p is equal to nw. In this p, whenever we find out that p is equal to nw, that is having a 600, that is in that 600 location we entered that value 20, which is entered in that else part close. After that head is equal to, in the next case head is equal to creation. How to create the head and function call, and then if it is find out that output it will gives. After that break will be there. In this case same case will be there. Another node we are creating 10 20 already we created for the above code, and then next we have created the 30 value which is having a null pointer and nw is equal to 70 will be there. Whenever we are taking an else part above the figure, p is equal to nw, that is the code. In this case single linked list creation of head will be there, single linked list star p and star nw, character answer which is a declaration part, already we know this thing. Begin braces, nw is equal to single linked list of memory allocation of size will be there. nw is equal to next having which is having a null pointer, printf enter the data and scanf. We know about these things, percentage d and nw is data. If head is equal to null will be there, p having head will be head is equal to NW, which is already we know the thing of head, if condition and else part will be there. In else part we find out the two things, P is equal to next is equal to NW, and the new thing is P is equal to NW. With the P is equal to NW, P is equal to 600 will be there, which is having NW is equal to 700, which is not connected with the both. Whenever in this case we are printf function, do you want to insert a new node? If you want to, already we know that 3 nodes we are having, in that the 3 elements will be there and 3 locations will be there that are connected to only each other, which is the program asks for you, do you want to insert another node, yes or no? You will if you want to insert, you will take yes, otherwise no. And then the flush will be there, and then scanf function will be there. And then if you want to give, you will give the ans, that is the percentage C. After that the code is there. After the code, this is for head is equal to creation. In this a function call is there, break, and then first one is the 10, 20, 30 will be there. In the above figure there is no link in between the 600 and 700 location, that the value of 10 and 20 elements. In this case NW is equal to 700, that is the value of 30, that is linked to the 700 location. That is the code for this same code above the figure, same as it is. Creation, declaration, memory allocation, null, end with the null tail, printf function, scanf function, if condition, else will be there, and then P having NW, P having NW will be there. After that which is having same function. After that, do you want to insert a new node, and then scanf function and ans will be there. This is the following code. This is for following code. In this case we are taken for the same code for this NW. After that in this case insert, that is the same thing above the code. For this I am going that's why I taken this slide for this. Head is equal to insert. How we take the insert head, and then break will be there. In this case 10 and 20 and 30 will be there, that are linked with each other. Totally they are linked with each other. Insert will be there. In this insertion single linked list, head will be there. This is the memory allocation which we are declaration for the single linked list. In that pointer P, pointer Q will be there, integer that location having. In that case printf function I used here, enter the location. You have to enter that location. This is the output function. The program asking you enter the location. Scanf function %d ampersand that location. That is the scanf function is an input function. You have to input that location. Enter location for node inserting. For node inserting you have to take that location, ampersand that location, and then P is equal to single linked list, memory location size of single linked list. This is the creation new node, which is an above the code. For enter that location you have to enter that location for inserting of new node. After the new node entering the new node, you have to create a new node for the memory allocation for single linked list. And after that memory allocation, creation of memory allocation for new node, you have to enter a data. Whenever a memory allocation there is no data, only memory allocation will be there. After creating of the memory allocation you have to enter a data, that is for new node, in new node. After that scanf function, that is a %d and which is having ampersand P data. And whenever you have to create a pointer variable, in that pointer variable you enter the data element. After that these three things can be done. After you have to check if the location is equal to 1. Inserting as head node, that is if a position is 1, that is a begin brace. After that if location is 1, you find the insertion as a head node. You find the insertion as a head node, that is if position is 1, begin brace. If next is equal to head, head is equal to P, return that head value. If you find out that head location, p is equal to next, that is having head having that pointer variable, that is written only the head pointer, which is end braces. After that head having inserting that is value is a 500, p having 400 will be there, 10 entered, and which is having a 500 will be there, head will be there, and 20 which is having a 600, 30 which is having 700, which are linked to each other, but not only the link with the 5. This is the code for same as the same code above the figure. The follow insertion, same thing, declaration, enter the location and enter the location for insertion, create a node for memory allocation, enter the data in that node, p having the data. If p is equal to, if location is 1, you find out the position, head, and return head value. After that you have to return head value. This is repeat. After that head value you have to link it with each other. P is equal to head value, you will take same thing in each other. In the above figure we will not take the each other. 5 will linked with the 10 value. Head is equal to 500 having some 10 value data, that 10 having linked with the 500 location. In that 500 location having the element in p, head having the 400. In this return that head value, which is that expansion, which is nothing but expansion, 2 links with 2 links having the above code, but in this case 4 links having with each other. This is the code for insertion and for new node, creation of memory location, entering the data for 4 fields. In this case, next, a single linked list. In this case, insert multiple values. In this case we are inserting values for this code. Insert head is equal to insert and break having, which is having that head 10 value and 20 value. Else part we are taking in this. We are taken in this after insertion. 600 having q having, in the above case we are pointer value and then we take the q value, that having head, and 500 location which having 2 elements which are linked with each other, 20 and 10 data elements. After that 25 is left, which is having only 700 to 30 will be linked to each other. The 25 will be left. In this case we are using for this else part. If insertion is at other position, whenever you want to take other position than head node, you will take else part, begin I is equal to 1. Whenever we are taking I is equal to 1, q is equal to head, while I is less than location minus 1. Whenever you have to take while loop we are using here, while location I is incremented value, location is minus 1 will be which is location having minus 1. Whenever you have to take any location, number of location, you have to take 10, 20, 30, 40, like that. 40 minus 1, then only you have to take I is equal to, you have to take 1 will be there, 1 is less than 20 minus 1 will be there. That condition, if the condition is satisfied, begin brace, q is equal to q2 next, I plus plus will be there. The q having some head value, that head is equal to next having, and I is equal to incremented value, I is equal to 1, 0 to 1, 0 you have to take 1, it will be incremented by 1 by 1. After that the code will be p dot next is equal to q2 next will be there, q2 next is equal to p will be there. This is a code for begin and else bracket, display head, which is display head and return that head value. After that a code expansion will be there. Case head is equal to insert value. In this case multiple expansions with this code. P is equal to, we are not inserting, in this case we are same code written here, P is equal to 750, the location will be there. After that in this case multiple links between 30 having in this graphical shown figure, 30 having two address location for the 25 and 20 data elements. In this case, the code written for if the insertion is at the other position than head node, else part will be there, begin brace, I is equal to 1, q is equal to head will be there. Whenever a while condition I is less than, same thing, location minus 1, same code for this q having next p having. Whenever q which is having q q next having that p pointer variable, whenever q is a head value, and then p is having some 750, in that 750 which is connected with the 30 value, 30 with connected with the 20, and also in the display value head is equal to return that head value. After that, insertion at else insertion other position than head node, for this above the figure which we are multiple connections that is removed for this. After that is link with each one by one. Q is equal to head 500 and q is equal to 600, and then where p is equal to 750 and 700 will be the 30 value. This is the written same code while condition we used in this head display head having written that head value, begin and end braces for this. Inserting position at the other position than head node. And that display when how to display the, whenever we are creating we are inserting node, and then after we memory allocation is created for that node, after we use it for the display option, head is equal to display and head is equal to break. In that we are taken three elements, 10, 20 and 30 will be there for this code. Void display single linked list star head begin brace single linked list star p. If the condition head is equal to null will be there. If linked list is not created, if head is equal to null, you have to, that comment will be there. If the linked list is not created, if is not created, printf empty linked list it shows. Else the printf function, you have to create a single linked list for p is equal to head, that p is not equal to null. Whenever the p is not equal to null, p is equal to next will be there. The for condition will check for if p is equal to head, then p is not equal to null, and then this is the for condition. Same thing we are taken for whenever p is equal to head, p is not equal to null, which is not equal or null, and p is equal to p2 next. This is the for condition you check first. After that, the printf function percentage d p data, p having some data value, that is the print null will be there at the end point which is having a null value. This is the creation of linked list, and a linked list after the creation which will display. In this the following head is equal to display, same thing which is having p is equal to head is equal to 500 will be there. Then in this case void display which is greater than 10 is greater than 20, and like that we expanded the code for this. Same thing, single linked list pointer p, if the condition is null, and then print if it is null empty linked list, else print creation it will be there for p is equal to the for condition will check for p is equal to head, p is not equal to null, or p is equal to next value, and then p having the data, printf that null pointer will be there at the end, and end braces will be there. In this case, whenever head is equal to display, how can we display? 10 is greater than, in the above figure only 20. 10 is greater than 20. After that the code will be same above figure, which is having memory allocation, if condition, else part, and printf function for condition and print null will be there. After that 10 greater than, which will having 30 will be there. Above the figure same as p has head, that head having 500 which is linked to the 20 having p is equal to 600 location having that 30 value, that is indicated with the p is equal to 700. 30 that is, this is nothing but 10 is greater than 20 and 20 is greater than 30 will be there. This is same thing above the code as shown above, the same code for this declaration, if condition, else part, and printf is null, which is a display for the node. and then which is having, we are not indicated the null for the same thing, single linked list pointer, if head is equal to null, linked list is not created, same thing which is having null pointer will be there. In this, after that, end of switch case, while option is equal 6 will be there, 6 end of do while loop, and get ch end of main function, which is the same thing for the for to create the single linked list, as a process of how to we are taking a single linked list, we how to create a program. In that program, how to inserting a node linked to each other, how to entering the data in that memory. Whenever we are creating a memory, in that creating memory, in that we are entering the data, and how to display the data in that single linked list. We discussed about the these things in this session. And the next topic, the related topic, we discussed about the next session. And then thank you.